welcome to another day of living out here. Well, today we're going to be replacing these. You may be asking yourself why. They look perfectly fine. Let me show you. As I open it, it now becomes an open door, just like that. This one works okay, but this one ain't cutting the cheese no more. So we're going to take these off, and through the power of editing, now they are off. As you see, we no longer have it. But we're not only going to do this door, we're going to do that one over there as well. Let me show you. Ones. We're going to remove these ones as well. Let's get after it. Oh, these are off as well. Let me show you what you can make out of 3 2x4s, 8 foot long, and 7 fence pickets. Show you what it's going to look like. Let's get to building. Well, this is what we're starting with. All of these need to be cut down.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you want to be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing. Wake up.
And this is all the good wood that I have left after ripping them down. And all that is junk. I couldn't find any 8-foot fence pickets. So, yeah, there's a lot of waste on this one. I'll try to figure out something to make with them.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good.
So I set up this temporary stop block here for me, so I can make sure that they're all cut to the same size. We're gonna start cutting the frame out right now.
Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up. Today's gonna be a good day.
So now we've got all of our long pieces cut. Now we're gonna cut these ones to 37 inches. But before we do that, I need to adjust my temporary stop block. So let me get that adjusted and I'll get back with you guys. So I just tested this and my wall is 37 inches. So here's my mark. And it's looking like that's gonna hit it. So we might be right on the spot here. Let's give it a whirl.
Yeah, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of.
Now that we've got the short sides cut and the long sides cut, next we get to play with the table saw. What that means is we are going to be cutting a slot in each of these 2x4s to make it look like this. And how we're going to do that is we've got a dado blade in, and the piece that I showed you was the test piece to make sure that the pickets are going to be able to slide in. So, never cut a dado before on a board, so let's see how this one goes.
Preparation, good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some.
Now, we have all of the long ones cut with a groove. We've got all the short ones cut with the groove. What that means is we get to start assembling in a minute, but we got another task we got to do first. All of those I cut to rough length. Now we got to cut them to their final length. So yay. So I got to use my ghetto stop block again, and I made a little improvement on it. I put a piece of scrap plywood and stapled it to it.
And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day.
And now all of these are cut to length. There's all my scraps off of it. and more scrap wood from this. Everything now has been cut to length, final length. It's all been planed. So next step is going to be tomorrow, and we're gonna put it together. Assembly. Let's do this. So right now I've got a square laid out to make sure that I am getting square angles. And we're gonna do this to both the top corners, and then we're gonna slide all the boards in. So let's get these tacked together. So now we're gonna put glue in the joint and then slide the board in, tack it in with some brad nails, and move on to the next.
Replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good.
So this is one of the 4 finished. I'm not gonna make you guys sit through me making all 4 of these. So I'll update you once we get each one done. And this makes 2, 3, 4. Now that I've got all these built, comes everybody's favorite time. Let's sand the night away. Well, all of them are sanded. On to the next part. Let me show you all 4. There's all 4 of them. Now we're gonna do some staining, and I'll show you the finished product.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo. I think there's a reason, though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. Approach, showing yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I let you do it just the sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect very much from my best, man, I'll tell you. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, really gonna rise to the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3.
Well guys, I just wanted to say thanks for watching and hope this helps you. Here's to another day of living out here.